Okay, Miss Lele. This is where we're going. I think this is the house we're gonna go see. Okay? We are here. Alright? Kind of match this map.
That's me,
This map.
Dada.
You're my guide. You're gonna read the map on the other side. It looks like this. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here and we're gonna go through this green line all the way over here.
How do you get the map?
Babe, that's 4.45 miles to this point, I think. You think? I don't know. I said we go 30 minutes in and 30 minutes out.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, let's
So
see.
where's this Sizzleman house?
It's somewhere over here, I thought. Lele, do you see the house on the map?
No, I didn't see it.
No.
Okay, well, 30 minutes, we'll time it.
Okay. 8 o'clock.
Okay.
It's 8 o'clock. We're gonna go. Okay?